Nice! Come on, nice, guys! Woo! Woo! Hands up! Hands up!
Relax.
Nice, nice.
Give time. No.
Yeah!
Aim it.
Back kick,
Aim it.
back kick, everything. Yeah, but you gotta hit target.
You have to hit the target.
Hit target, hit target, get in.
Good job. Good job.
Go.
Come on, now quick, combination, 1, 2, 3.
Punch, Neha, punch.
There you go.
Neha, punch. Go in the front.
Hands up,
Oh, good job.
high. Hands up. Neha, hands up. Keep your foot.
To say good that kick, but that did not come out right.
Nice. Come on, yeah. Yeah, that's
Good job.
Come on, let's go. Combination.
Punch.
Put your combinations together.
Punch, punch.
Relax and punch.
Mix it up. Go. You got it. Now.
10 seconds more. Go right to the aim it. Yes. Combination. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Good. Stop. Good job. Relax down here.
Nice combination.
Yeah. Take a deep breath. You alright?
Take it, breathe through your nose. Breathe through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Breathe in. Through your nose. Exhale.
You have to just go around the circle. Take your time. Okay? Don't have to kick all the time. And when you go close, then boom, boom, boom.
Alright, seconds out. Get the stools out.
Deep breath. Deep breath. You rest and do it, okay?
Good job, come on. Last 1.5 minutes. Make it good. Front kick, roundhouse kick. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Jab, cross. Nice.
Good
Come
one.
on, let's go. Yeah.
Good. Come here, Akka.
Okay, good. Nice.
Go round and round. Take your time. Aim it.
That's right. Excellent.
Good job.
Right. Good.
Very good.
Yeah, good. That's it. Don't forget your hands. Jab cross. Come on. Jab cross. Yeah. Front kick, roundhouse kick, back kick, spinning heel kick, axe kick. Yeah.
Go for the
Hit target. Come on, let's go.
You got it. Keep going.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
wait
breathe
and
through
go for the
your
target.
nose. Yeah, come on, aim for your shot, aim, stay focused. Come on, Neha, stay focused. Hands up, come on, let's go. Protect yourself. Neha, hands up. Yeah, but you gotta be close, Come on, let's go. Yeah, come on, nice, let's go.
10 seconds, go for it.
Give it all you got, come on. Give it all you got, Neha.
You can do it.
All you got. Come on.
Good job. It's okay.
Go ahead.
That's it. Sit down, relax. Take it out from the mouth. Do that. Take a breathe. Oh, there you go. Second round. 2 rounds. Yay! It's done. It's 2 rounds. 2 rounds. All 2 rounds. Good job. Breathe slowly. Hold your breath. Take it out. That's it.
Come on,
here.
Oh, that was round 2 already.
That's it.
Blue corner.
Woo! Come on.
the trophy.
Give a hug, give a hug.
Once again, we'd like to congratulate both participants for an awesome job, guys. Give a big round of applause, please.